It's 1 crore, Dad. Son, why do you want to give this money to Sagar? He's my younger brother, Dad. It will help him. Okay. So, how much money do you want to give him? It's 1 crore. He once shared with me that he wants to expand his business. He needs 70-80 lakhs for that, but he can't arrange it. So I'm thinking of giving him 80 lakhs. But son, this land was your share. He has already sold his share of the land and he was wasted all the money. And now you have started his own business. And even before that, you have already paid off his loan of 10 lakhs. Dad, what happened? I have everything and I want him to be my younger brother, so he shouldn't lack anything. He should be equal to me. Okay, as you wish. But you have to do one thing for me. Tell me, what do you have to do? Hello, Dad. Yes, brother, tell me, what do I have to do? How's your work going on? It's going very well, brother. Okay, I have a work for you. Yes, tell me, what is it? I need your help. Yes, tell me, brother, please. How can I help you? Actually, I didn't tell you that my company has been in loss for a long time. And now I don't even have money to pay my employees. So I need some money from you. Money? Yes. How much money do you have? I don't have any money right now. You don't have? You were saying that your work is going very well. And I have helped you so many times. You can also help me. You must have some money. What is this, brother? If you had helped me, would I have helped you? When I told you I don't have, that means I don't have. Do you have any respect left or not? Do you have any shame in your eyes? Your brother helped you so many times. And today when he asked you for the help, then you are not helping him. Dad, it's not about helping. I don't have money. How can I give him money? You want money, right? Wait a minute. Take this. I have this. You keep this. Sir, you told me to deposit the payment in the bank. Yes, this is a payment of 1 crore rupees. Deposit in the bank. But sir, you told me that the payment is of 20 lakhs. Yes, I told you about the 20 lakhs. But money is not in the destiny of some people. So I have to deposit 1 crore rupees. Okay, sir. 1 crore rupees? You are saying that you are in a loss? Then how did you get so much money? I'm not in any loss. The company is doing very well. I got 1 crore rupees from my land. You told me once that you want to expand your business. You need 70 to 80 lakhs for that. And you were not getting it from anywhere. So I thought that I'll give you 80 lakhs from this so that you can expand your business. But I asked for help from you. And you showed me your truth. Brother, I didn't show you any truth. I am with you. Stop it. I'm your father. I understand your intentions and your nature very well. Didn't you say that I'll give you the money that I have? Or brother, I'll help you. As soon as you asked for the money, you showed your true self. I told Sanju that before giving him the money, you ask him for help once. But you turned out to be useless. Brother, please forgive me. I'm your younger brother. You know that I don't have much brains, You have a lot of brains. When you need something, when you need money, then you come and talk to me with a lot of love. You act very nice. And today when I needed you, you got angry when I asked for help. And yes, this 500 rupees, I will always keep it with me. This will remind me that if you help someone, then do it for thoughtfully. Sorry, brother. Please forgive me. Get up and get out of here. And don't come here again. Son, not everyone is like you. Nowadays, no one helps anyone unnecessarily. Got it, Dad. We'll take care from now on.